video is for the 7th grade social media blog assignment 1, create an About Us post. First, you and your partner should create your About Us post in a shared document. Then what you're going to do is open up a new tab and go to Weebly.com. And from here, you're going to click on sign up. If you don't remember if you used Weebly before, just hit sign up. Otherwise, technically, you can click login. Click on G+ sign up. And if you've used Weebly before, it's going to bring you to this page here. If you haven't used Weebly before, it's going to bring you to a different page. So if you've used Weebly before, click the down arrow, and then you might need to scroll up and click Add Site. If you have never used Weebly before, your screen is going to look like this. Anyway, you'll click on No. And then from here, you're going to click on Other, and then click on Modern and Elegant, and click on Start Editing in the top right corner. Then what you're going to do is check the circle next to use a subdomain of Weebly.com, and you're going to type in what you want for your URL. So for example, we're going to call it E&M blogs. And as long as it says domain is available, then you're all set. Then click on continue. Next, what you're going to do is click where it says love seat and click on off. So we turn that off. Then we're going to click on settings and add your partners and editors. So you'll click on editors on the left, click on add editors up in the top right corner, and then you'll type in your partner's email address and make sure that you spell it correctly. Otherwise, it's not going to work when you send them the invite to edit. And then you'll click on add editor, or save editor rather. Then from here, what you're going to do is click on pages up at the top. You're going to click on the home page, click on delete, and then click on delete again. You're going to repeat that for the other pages as well, except for the blog page. Click shop, click delete, delete, about, click on about, delete, and delete, and then click on contact, click delete, and click delete. So then from here, what you're going to do is click on the blog page, and then you click where it says no header, and click on where it says header. So then what you're going to do next is click on build up at the top, and then from here where it says click here to edit, you're going to type in the name of your blog. So for example, E&M blogs. And then what you're going to do is scroll down so that you can see the white space below the picture. And you're going to just go ahead and click on where it says new post down at the bottom. And you might again have to scroll down. You're going to click where it says post title, and then you're going to type in about us. Then from here, you're going to drag a text box to go underneath the white space. And then what you'll do is you should have your About Us post typed in a shared document. You're just going to click and drag to highlight it, hit Control-C on your keyboard, and then go over to Weebly, click where it says click here to edit, and then hit Control-V on your keyboard to paste it. Sometimes you might end up with some of these extra spaces, so if you get extra spaces, you can click in the extra space and then hit backspace. So then what you're going to do is you're going to click on Post up at the top, and then click on Close with this window that appears. The last thing that you're going to do is change the picture, so you click on the picture and then click on Edit Background, which will appear underneath the picture. Click on Replace. And then what you're going to do is click on search in the window that appears, and you can just type in something like social media and, you know, or Snapchat or whatever you want to do for your picture. But anyway, what's going to happen is, honestly, you want to click on Explore Free Photos. Honestly, it's going to come up with some weird pictures at first, but scroll through. You know, if you have to go on to the next page, most of us will have to. You click on, you know, page 2 or page 3. But anyway, what you'll do is you'll find a picture that you want to use. And so here's a good one that we can use. So you click on Select for the picture that you want. And then what you want to do is click where it says Darken. Darken it just a little bit because you're going to have white text and you want to make sure that you can see your